The 2009 science fiction adventure film, Star Trek, is a reboot of the Star Trek television series that aired from 1966 to 1969. It features the original characters created by Gene Roddenberry, played by new actors. Lead actors Chris Pine and Zachary Quinto assumed the roles of James T. Kirk and Spock respectively. The film is set in an alternate reality in a not-so-distant future, where space exploration was a means of going where no man has gone before. It tells the backstory of how Kirk and Spock got into Starfleet and ended up in command of the Enterprise. The prequel includes our plot about time travel where the original Spock, played by Leonard Nimoy, travels back in time and changes the Star Trek timeline. His involvement is also meant to maintain the continuity in the Star Trek franchise without the reboot having to follow the events that occurred in the television series. In the movie, Prime Spock is forcibly made to travel in time with the main villain Nero, Eric Bana, so he could witness the destruction of his planet, Vulcan. He meets with the young Kirk who convinces the young Spock to put him in charge of the Enterprise in order to stop Nero from destroying Earth. To further distinguish the original television series from the film franchise and from the new generation TV series, the classic series is now referred to as Star Trek, the original series. The film franchise is also called J.J. Abrams' Star Trek series, and it is set in the Kelvin timeline. Director Abrams helmed the first two films of Star Trek with Roberto Orci and Alex Kurtzman as the writers. Writer Damon Lindelof joins them on the second installment titled Star Trek Into Darkness, which was shown in 2013. For the third installment titled Star Trek Beyond, shown in 2016, Justin Lin took over the director's chair with Simon Pegg and Doug Young as writers.